It's time for you to remember who you are. And if you can't remember who you are, it's time for you to create who you are. You let this world set limitations on your life when you were created with no limits. You got to remind yourself who you were when your creativity had no prisons. Before opinions convinced you.
I was born into a life of struggle, raised in poverty. But I will not let that define my future. I will work tirelessly, day and night. No matter how tough it is, I will never give up. I know that the road ahead will be hard, full of obstacles and challenges. Sometimes
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.